This problem is asking us for which runway would be acceptable for this crosswind and the wind given. So the first thing I like to do is I like to draw just to get a visual graphic of what's going on. So here we have winds out of the north at 20 knots. All right, then I'll have to go ahead and draw I like to get just a view of what north and south. And then we've got a runway heading of runway 6. So here's about 30 degrees, here's about 60 degrees. Going through the center. Then we'll also have a runway 29. So here's 27, right in line with west, 27, 28 about, 29 about. And I'm just ballpark drawing these. It's a good idea on the written to actually get your plotter out and draw them accurately to scale with the correct degrees, just to help you visualize it more accurately. Then we also have a runway 32. So if here's 29, here's about 310, 300, 310, 320. All right, so we have runway 29, runway 320, and then runway 6. So just by drawing this graphic, I can already tell that runway 32 is going to be more into the wind than runway 29. So I'm just going to kind of already, if I'm going to work this problem, I could work every single one of these runways to determine which was best, but I can almost already visually eliminate runway 29 because runway 32 is already more into the wind than runway 29 is. So I'm going to start with runway 6 and runway 32 to determine what those crosswind components would be. And if neither of those are acceptable, then I can do runway 29 and double check. So I'm going to go ahead and start with runway 6. I'm going to go into wind down to crosswind. Wind is 360 at 20 knots. Runway is 06. And that's going to give me a crosswind of 17.3. And our crosswind limit is 13 knots, so this runway is out. So now I'm going to do the same thing for runway 32. Wind, crosswind, wind stays the same, speed stays the same. Now we're on runway 32. And the crosswind component is 29.9, which is below 13 knots. So this would be an acceptable amount of crosswind, 29.2 knots. So runway 32 would be the acceptable runway in this scenario.